Alright, here we are with GAM-495 Artifact 3. This is Demo Sandbox C++ scripting with Unreal Engine 4. Most of the elements remain unchanged from week 1, but when this artifact was originally made in Game 3.12, most of the focus was on C++ programming, and very little went into level design. So I thought the good polish for this artifact would be to add some level design to it. Pretty much everything in this except the level design is scripted in C++. You can see some magazine pickups there going into the HUD. And then you'll notice it looks quite a bit different than the original version did. Get some nice mountains in there, some grass, nice textures on the grass. Nice little beach, shoreline, lake. Quite a bit different looking from the week 1 artifact. Most of the functionality is the same, except in the original artifact the size was much smaller and the target points were placed, I placed them by hand. And to do this one, I wrote a new class and made a blueprint for target points that spawn seed randomly to the level. And then the AI chooses a target point at random, moves to the target point, and then when it gets there, chooses a new one at random. So they just kind of roam around the map randomly, which is cool because then every time you run the level at runtime, the target points will be different. So the AI will never have the same path. They'll always move around dynamically. A little injury there for the trap. Get a health pickup. This is heal. See the health meter moving around. Another heal. Should probably bump up the heal amount on those a little bit. Oh, there we have it. Everything pretty much works the same, but looks a lot different. Nice little landscape in here now.